Solidworks PCB includes a number of features to keep your design workflow at its highest level of performance. Before you decide on a component for your schematic, it's always good to know that you have the best possible price and availability needed to meet your specific budget and schedule. Real-time supplier links in Solidworks PCB connects directly to major parts suppliers, providing you with accurate supply chain data to let you make the most informed part selections. When it's time to route your PCB, focus on your layout process without having to worry about specific manufacturing constraints with component placement rules. Define detailed rules for component height and placement settings, and instantly correct misplaced components with immediate visual notifications. Once your board is complete, you might find yourself needing to reassign the nets on components. Save yourself time by automating this time-consuming process with pin swapping. Interactively swap and optimize pin configurations in seconds without ever having to manually reassign nets on those high pin count components.